Eczema is a skin condition that causes dryness, itching, and redness. It is triggered by things like stress, allergies, or irritants and can lead to infection if untreated.
Hello everyone! We are students from Invention Expo, Indonesia. I'm Fania Franjanati.
I'm Shika Zafira.
I'm Sidishara Yuriska. And we are from
Morica team. And we're really excited to share our innovation, Morica Bubbly Eczema TabSoap.
This natural TabSoap was created to support people who suffer from eczema.
Let's explore how our product was developed and how it works to relieve and heal it.
using ingredients that are rooted in Indonesian traditional knowledge.
This is the ingredients that we use for making Morica Bubbly Eczema TabSoap. At the first, there is water. It's distillated water. And for the oil, we use coconut oil and also palm oil. And for main ingredients, we use burnt candlenut oil. And there is enoha. And for another main ingredients, it's moringa leaf extract. And for additional ingredients, we use rose essential oil.
So the first step is that we have to prepare an aloha, which will later become a thickener in the soap making process. So here distilled water and an aloha have been prepared. We pour an aloha. Be careful because it is hot. Then we stir until the temperature becomes room temperature. Keep stirring until it becomes clear. And this is the result after we let it sit. It becomes clear like water.
Okay, now we go into the main stage. First, we have to put in various kind of oil. First, coconut oil. Palm oil. And finally, roasted candlenut oil. And then we stir using a hand blender until it thickens a little. If it is mixed like this, then we pour in aloha water little by little into, then stir quickly so that the result thickens. This is the result after the liquid thickens.
Then, when it's thick enough, we put in the moringa leaf powder and stir until smooth. Then, we add essential oil. In here, we use rose essential oil for making the smells good. Then, the result that have been made pour into a tablet shape mold.